Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Frostpore fishes in Heartopia. So you are going to talk to Vanya first for the quest. Obviously before you start anything you do have to talk to Eric, and then it's going to open up all of the NPC quests. If you don't see any fishes in the ocean, basically you're just going to use your Mermaid Attractor. I don't know if I'm going to use it. I think I am actually, because why not? I need to catch some fishes. I have like almost none left. Okay, well, let's start here. Hopefully, okay, it's so far. Why does it do that? And let's just use the Mermaid perfume to make this video a little bit quicker. You're just going to fish in this area pretty much and just wait until you get a fish. Did I throw this too far? I feel like I did. Okay. But you'll find them here in the area. Oh, I got this. I don't even need that. Okay. Okay, see, I got a Frostpore seahorse. It's invisible, I know, but you'll see it in your inventory. It's not going to be invisible. You'll also need the sunfish and the pufferfish and the king crab as well. And that's like the full collection of the Frostpore fishes, as you can see. But yeah, that is where you can get some Frostpore fishes in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!